Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk about something which is super important in your career, the professional networking. Professional networking is about meeting new peoples, have a meaningful conversation, and which helps you to grow in your career. I have some important tips that I use in my career journey. I will share with you the three very important tips. The number one is attend your company webinars, seminars, workshops. There you meet new peoples and have a meaningful conversation and exchange your ideas. The number two is active listening and ask the meaningful questions with them. It helps you to exchange the ideas and you will have a meaningful conversation with them. The number third is be genuine. Authenticity is the key. Don't just meet the people for personal gains, support them and help them to grow. So, these were some of my three top networking tips that helps me to grow and if and I will believe that you will also try and it will also help you. So let me know in the comments which networking tip you like the most and will help you in the future. Stay tuned, be inspired, and thank you for joining. Signing off, Naresh Behar.